Hey guys, what's going on? Thought I'd go over the bullseye trade of the week, which was CPNG calls. And so the market's rallied this week. It's been fantastic. So this also helped CPNG really nicely with a potential 100% move on the chart, which we'll show you in a few minutes. And so this was what was sent out to Bullseye Trades members. This is a once a week on a Monday service. Now, I much prefer Nate Bear's Profit Surge Trader, which is also once a week on a Monday, like a Monday day service. But like it's once a week, but you also get like 2 or 3 trades with it, and they generally tend to be better thought out and better done. So I'm a big fan of Nate Bear's Profit Surge Trader at the moment. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go and check out this review because I really think this is a better service than Bullseye Trades at the moment. This one particularly worked out well, but that doesn't mean they all work out well, and this one was probably one out of many that have actually worked. So a lot of them have been hard to get into. And so I've kind of gone off Jeff Bishop's bullseye trades at the moment. Maybe that'll change as the market becomes more bullish again. Who knows? Anyway, I'll leave a link to the track record for Jeff Bishop bullseye trades in the description below. And you can go and check it out as well and see what you think about the different trades over the last couple of years in there. So definitely do that if you get a chance. And so this was the email that went out. This is inside the Raging Bull dashboard. This is the email that went out on April 22nd, so 4 days ago on Monday. It's currently Friday at the moment. So he said, this is a very tough market right now. It really is. So we had this decline and this sudden like bottom, it seems, or temporary bottom, or at least bounce. And so Jeff is saying just because the markets get a bump higher for a few days, which I suspect it will, and this was on Monday, and it's exactly what happened, so I'll give him kudos for that, doesn't overcome the fact that we are in a nasty downtrend on the daily chart, and that's true. Like, we're still in a downtrend. Until that resolves higher, it'll make buying stocks extremely challenging, and that's exactly what we're seeing. It's still hard out there, so if you're struggling a bit, don't worry, it'll get better. So that is exactly where I landed this week, a very strong uptrending stock with a great institutional ownership. And so this is CPNG, and he bought option calls on this. He had a few backup ideas, talked about those in his 11 a.m. session, blah blah blah. So it could be headed for 23 is what he said. So if things go in my favor, I think CPNG could be headed for 23 and even 25 as a potential target number 2. Here are the details for the trading plan. You get a lot more on the call, like the live stream that he does at 11 Eastern. But basically in the email, this is what you get. So CPNG, May 3rd, so a week or two out. $23 calls near 30 cents. So these are really cheap. So if you don't have a lot of capital, these are really not that hard to get quite a few of. So it's pretty good. And so he's saying that the stop would be below 21.5, target of 23. And this is cool. For the first time in a while, this stock actually dipped on the Monday. And we actually got a nice trade in. This is Monday on the left, all the way to Friday on the right here, close on Friday. And so you can see on Monday we actually had a sell-off, which is unusual. And then this huge, nice rally, which is cool. So you're able to get in here around 21, which is fantastic. And he actually hit his profit target around here of 23, so around here on Thursday. So that was over 100% gain on the options on these on this underlying, which is really cool. So it actually worked, which is surprising. I always look at the comments to see what people have to say. This guy says, how long will you stay in the trade? Jeff says, well, I missed the spot for the 100% sell earlier in the week. Now it looks like CPNG will bust through 23. It kind of did, then pull back a little bit. So where it goes from here before I decide. And that was 1 day ago, so who knows what he's going to do. Maybe sell it on Monday. I don't know. So it's surprising to me how few comments are now left on these. These used to be filled with comments, especially on winning trades. But people are abandoning this service from what I can see. And it's sad because it still does work quite well. But I would say that Nate Bear's Profit Surge Trader is a lot better. I'm keeping all the results in this article, so definitely go and check that out in the description below. I think you'll be surprised how good this really is. There's been a couple of down weeks recently since the market turned down, but he's changed his strategy a lot in Daily Profits Live, which is his premium service. So if you watched my video previous to this one, you'll have seen that he actually has been making a lot of money trading recently. So I would definitely potentially look into getting into Profit Surge Trader. It's only $179 a year, so really not much. You can click on any links in here to get it at that price. It's a special price for my subscribers on YouTube. You can click here. It'll take you to the offer page. So limited time deal, $179. Really fantastic. You get everything included here. The best part about it is you basically get it's like a 365-day money back guarantee on top of everything else. So you get this amazing service. But they say in 365 days, no risk, no questions back asked, 100% back money back guarantee, which is really unheard of in this industry. So I love this. I think it's a fantastic service, and I think you guys should definitely check it out, especially if you're a bit disgruntled with Bullseye Trades. I think Bullseye Trades had a great year in 2022, and since then they've struggled, unfortunately. Just the way it goes, I guess. I was a huge fan of the service, but it's looking more and more grim in terms of these trades actually working pretty well. So did we stop out on Monday? That's the big question, because obviously if we had this dip, did we get down to Jeff's stop now? I don't think we did, because it didn't stop out at the close, and people always get this wrong. They always think that if it dips, they have to stop out. But it's actually a close below a certain level. So let's see what his level was for the close and see what that actually was. Try and figure this out here. So let's go to Close Monument Traders Alliance. So let's log into Raging Bull again here. So Jeff Bishop, Bullseye Trades, weekly updates. So the CPNG. So he was saying if it closed below 2150, and it definitely didn't do that. So if we go here, 2150, it did touch it, almost. But that was intraday. It closed way higher on the Monday. It closed up at like here. So closed at around 22.65. So although it dipped, this would be a perfect buy opportunity, especially on the W bottom here as well. I unfortunately missed it. Hopefully you guys got it if any of you are still following Bullseye Trades. But yeah, anyway, I would definitely recommend Nate Bear's service, Profit Surge Trader, over Bullseye Trades. Hopefully you guys can get it at the price it currently is at. I don't think they'll be keeping that like this price that much longer. It's ridiculously priced for what it is. It's amazing. So definitely check it out. I'll leave all the links you need in the description below, and I'll talk to you guys soon.